Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this video here I'll be showing you how to replace the batteries in your Autostart keyless remote. This is one I have on my Dodge Ram. It's an aftermarket added option that overrides the factory remote and includes remote start. A dead or low battery will cause the remote to either not work or only work close to the vehicle and not at a distance. First was using a small Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw by the key ring. For this I'm using my OEM Tools 22560 precision screwdriver set that comes as a set of 6 made from chrome vanadium steel and magnetic tips. A link to these from Mobile Distributor Supply will be included in the video description. Then using a small standard screwdriver, you'll find a small cutout where you can pry the case open on the keyring side. Finally, separate the case completely. If you are removing the circuit board, it simply just sits into place and can be removed using the standard screwdriver as well. The batteries are located on the back side of the case. There is 2 in total. The model number is CR2016. Remove the batteries using a standard screwdriver. Install the new batteries. The positive side faces to the back of the case. Reinstall the swivel for the key ring and then install the back of the case. Make sure everything snaps into place. Check the perimeter to ensure it is fully seated. Then install the Phillips screw and tighten. After that, you can test out the remote to ensure it is working correctly. New videos released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me, and leave a comment below if you found this tutorial helpful. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.